This video is designed to provide basic information about the installation of a one-part urethane sealant. In this case, Master Seal NP150, a low-modulus, non-sag hybrid sealant in a typical horizontal joint. The basic procedures shown here are applicable for a variety of applications and are based on information contained in the BASF Technical Data Guide. Other valuable information not covered here, including material safety data sheets, is also available on the BASF website. Of course, your Weathersure project manager can also answer any question you may have regarding sealant types, suitability for a particular purpose, and recommendations for your unique situation. Remember, installation of sealants and the ultimate success of a sealant project starts with thorough preparation of the old joint. The success of a caulking project is determined by the thoroughness of the preparation phase. Joint surfaces must be clean, dry, dust-free, and frost-free. In renovation work, all existing caulking must first be cut and removed from the old joint. There may be a temptation to leave the old caulking in place. However, the resulting caulk joint will not perform properly or last as long as when the old caulking has been properly removed. After removal of the old caulking and backer rod material, if any, use a hand grinder to completely abrade the surfaces, finishing the removal of all old material and exposing the porous nature of the concrete to allow for a strong bond between the materials. After thorough cleaning, the next step is to apply the primer. In this case, we are assuming the substrate is concrete, stone, or other masonry. A primer should not be necessary for non-porous material. The next step is the installation of the backer rod, which should be sized about 25% larger than the joint width. The rod should not be packed using fingers, but rather pushed into place using a roller or other tool. The joint configuration, after the backer rod has been installed, ideally should have the depth be about half the width of the joint. Next, the sealant material is shot into the joint cavity in a uniform manner, carefully filling the entire void. The final step is the tooling of the sealants, using a special caulking tool known in the trade as a slick, striking the sealant to a smooth and uniform finish. Now you've seen how an experienced technician with Weathersure systems is able to quickly create a proper horizontal joint in a masonry substrate. Of course, it's critical to have all tools and materials readily at hand before commencing the work. And this particular joint is in a readily accessible, ground-level location. Remember, for all of your building envelope maintenance needs, roof repairs, roof replacements, caulking, sealants, and coatings, please call Weathersure Systems at 303-781-5454 or visit us on the web or the Weathersure Facebook page.